how you can use your Instagram without having to watch reels. Now let us first open Instagram, and there you can see a reel section. Under this reel section, you can just watch reels and you'll be watching it for hours, because I do that too sometimes. But to get rid of this reel section right here, it's not really possible in the app, because it's pretty much embedded and it's a feature that you cannot disable. So to use Instagram without having to watch reels or use reels, you will have to use your Instagram web. So just open up a web browser. Any web browser is fine, and just go to instagram.com. Okay, so as you can see right here, you will have to log into your Instagram from here. Just tap on login right here and log into it. Here you will see a reels option like this, but after you log in, the reels option won't be available, and you will be able to use your Instagram without using reels or without having to use reels feature. So that is pretty much it, guys. That is how you get rid of reels from Instagram on your mobile phone. Thank you for watching. If you're new to our channel, hit down below and hit the subscribe button so you never miss out on our future videos. That is all. Bye bye. Take care.